Hey y'all, it's Vonda. So I'm just hanging out at the park. I'm fixing to have some Chick-fil-A, watching the water. Just wanted to jump on here real quick and tell y'all how thankful I am that I get to do this now whenever I want. Whenever I'm not actually doing something that I've been working for, that I invested in myself to be able to do, which is to help my family, pay some bills, you know, do other things, what have you. But guys, I get to do this whenever I want because I invested in me. Just look, let me see, I don't know if I know how to turn the camera. Apparently I don't know how to turn the camera when I'm recording, but that's okay. Y'all can kind of get the gist of it. It's just beautiful up here in the mountains. Chick-fil-A, guys. So, if you want to spend your days, and I'm thinking about going and getting my fishing rod, because just look, y'all, just look at that. Just look. It may be that day, but I would love to give y'all some information. If you want to know about investing in yourself, if you want to know about preparing for your future, if you want to find out the things that we weren't taught as children that we were supposed to be taught, to be able to do whatever it is that you want to do during the day for your life, let me know, guys. Do 3 things. Y'all know how I do it. Like, comment, and share this. I'd love to send you some info, okay? Have a blessed day.